morning. My name is Justus Maeche. I am the current SG, Secretary General of this branch until 25th of this month, and hopefully beyond, because I'm also defending the seat. I can say that members have come out in large numbers, and so far the turnout as at now here in Kisii Locots polling station, we are at 50%. We are slightly above 50%, so which is a good turnout by before noon. So we are hoping that the turnout will even be 100% because all the members are present, they are within us, and we are hoping that the turnout will be 100%.
My name is Teresa Nicholas. I'm the Vice President of the Law Society. I came here yesterday to support the West Kenya branch because they had made a requisition concerning some of the law firms which were being manned by quacks instead of advocates, and we were able to be accompanied by the Kisii chapter chair Davin, and we were able to go to Ogembo and we were able to sort that issue. And today is the election day for the Southwest branch, which is one of the 8 branches that we have in the Law Society. And it is always our duty as a national office to always offer support where it needed, to always amplify what needs to be done in our branches. And today we call upon all the members of Southwest branch, be it that you're in Homa Bay, be it that you're in Kisii, be it that you're in Migori, be it that you're in Kilgoris, to turn up, because this is your civic duty to be able to elect the leaders that are going to serve you for the next 2 years. From the national office, together with my president, Senior Counsel Charles Kanjama, we are willing and ready to support all branches because our mantra is about Linda members. And for that, we call upon all members of this branch to turn up so that they can make their voice heard at the ballot.
My name is Bonuke Davin Biaki. I'm the chair of LSK South West Branch, Kisii chapter. Today we have exercised our civic duty, and we are so excited that members have turned up in large numbers. We're also humbled that our Vice President is here with us. I've been very vocal and loud about fighting masqueraders and ensuring that our practice standards are maintained. And so we are so happy that everyone is here today to ensure that we choose and elect leaders who will help us in serving the members well.
Asamalite gonkoro kuzel mabonuke igondo moengereria osomo wakili aigase town ya Busongo ronto gwa tobochoria kwa abarai bali bako tenenera abawakili intenene bunoyo mogwa abarai bali bako borie kerogo kyobonya kerogo obo chairman lero twikirega iga Kisii Locots bantu ndoche bachire ase obonge abawakili batemere wakachikura. In fact, as chinsa chiaboniga abantu angenus y'abawakili bali registered in Busongo akire chikura. The report tubwate ku Homa Bay na Migori nelinga chinambe chuna chiro chietani linus eyiwe korokinga abantu baito banchiranire nga obachori obonchorari bokolekana bole inkige kogara oro inki ekege kworokinga mwanya bantu amwana enje nyene alamoso nduna abawakili tuerule wakachikura elinda tuchenchi obogangu bwaitu bonyare ko bobu
chairperson, outgoing chairperson, or maybe incoming chairperson, Southwest branch. We are here today to conduct our branch elections, and I am here with some of the aspirants together with council members, and also we have our vice president from the LSK National Office who has come to give us the support together with the